want me to show this, or?
Yes. Alright, here we have a Bridgeport with an Anilam Crusader M 3-axis CNC control. We don't know how to program it, but we can show you jogging features. We'll show you that all axes are moving in each direction. It also has a servo knee feed for power elevation. I've got the original operator's manual. The spindle is a little loud, but the table's in good shape. The ways look real nice. I'll show you some close-ups of the machine, etc. Now we're going to just show you, we'll show you the screens running fine, and you'll see some traveling going on.
Over travel.
Record. Okay, here we have a Bridgeport Series 1 Model 2J 3-axis CNC milling machine with an Anilam Crusader M 3-axis control. We don't know exactly how to program it, but we can show you that all 3 axes are working. There's also a servo feed on the knee for power elevation, and I will show you some close-ups of the table and the ways, and you'll see that everything is working fine. The head is a little loud. We'll see if we could show that to you as well. Aside from that, it happens to be a really nice machine, and there's a coolant system as well, and there is some spindle tooling, which I will add some still pictures to the description. That's plugged in. You can just show the servo feed working. I think you turned it off. So you see a power elevation on the knee. And I'll give you some close-ups of the machine, the table, the ways. Rich, could you just show the spindle going up and down again? I don't know that I got that. Okay. We got side to side. We have the vertical travel, and you have the cross feed travel. And there you have it.